How to make 1 million in 365 days. That's 1 year. How do you do that in 1 year? Sometimes I make these videos here, you think I'm out of my senses, by the way. I want you to listen to this video to the end and you get something. Because wonders are happening in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. And the today's counter, in other words, the today's company that we are checking is called Car and General. That is the abbreviation, Car and General. And this is what I want you to do. After watching this video, please take your time, go verify what I am talking about. And if it's true, come back on this video on the comment section, type "it is true, I have verified." Because when I tell you read Malia in the market, but you don't believe it, let's go. Take yourself a pen and paper. I have mine here and I'm going to take you through step by step. Let's do this. Let's go back to 2025. Specifically, let's go back to 8th of August 2025. I was still making videos here on this channel, right here on this channel. The Car and General shares were trading at 23 points, around 7. It was on Friday, to be specific. It was on Friday. Shares were trading around 23 shillings. The Car and General shares. I am making this video exactly after 1 year. I'm making this video on 10th of August 2026. Today is 10th August 2026. The shares of Car and General is trading at 194 shilling and point something. 194. Are we together up to there? Is it sinking? We are talking about how long? 1 year. Now, the question is this. If you had invested as little as, say, 120 shillings or 130,000, 130K or 120,000 shillings, how much are you having right now? In other words, for the price to move from 23 all the way to 194, how many times are those? Go divide that number. Go divide that number. We are talking about approximately 9 times. 9 times. 9 times. In other words, whatever you had invested has been multiplied by 9 times. In other words, if I look at the percentage, this is approximately 900%. Or let's even talk about 800% or thereabout. 900%. How much is money market fund giving you? 10% per year. You're getting 900%. Let me paint some picture what I'm saying. In other words, if you're getting a return of 9 times, it simply means if you had 100,000 Kenyan shilling only and you bought these shares, if you sell your shares today, the money you will get is 900,000. Okay, fine. Let me use a small figure. If you had only 10,000 shillings and you bought these shares last year, August, you have 100,000 Kenyan shilling. 10 times over 900 tons or something like that. If you had invested around 130, 120,000 thereabout, we are talking about the language of 1 million. Isn't this a million in 1 year? No, I'm asking, isn't this? Car and General has been performing exemplary. You remember the time of KPLC? I made similar video and I told you, please, if you can buy these shares at 1 shilling and I don't know, 40 cents. Today, as we speak, today, 1 year, 8 months ago, those shares are trading in the zones of 20 shillings. 20 shillings. So in other words, your money has been multiplied over 20 times. If you invested a million shilling, you have your over 20 million. If you invested 100,000 Kenyan shilling, you are in the zones of 2 million. If you invested only 10,000 Kenyan shilling, you're in the zones of 200,000 Kenyan shilling. Isn't this a crazy return? No, I'm just asking you. Let's reason. Isn't this a crazy return? And that's why I'm saying, please go verify. Just go Google what was the price of Kayan General shares on 8th of Friday, 20, or 8th of August, Friday 2025. What was the price? Then go check right now what is the price of Kayan General. Then compare and see how much could have made in that period of time. Just compare. And you know, Nairobi Securities Exchange was voted the best or the fourth best performing exchange in the world with an average return of 26.7%. In other words, if you had invested your cash, say in January, as of June, you had over 26% of it. If you had like 100,000, you have over 26,000. If you had like a million bob there, you have over 260,000 there. Now, I know the question that you're asking is this: oh, has the opportunity gone? Can we still invest? Is there opportunity? What can we do? Now, that is the question. I was doing the analysis of this company. It has actually, the reason why, okay, it wasn't like this. It was like kind of forgotten shares sometimes back. Nobody was bothering. Then it went to a partnership with some companies called Watu. You know, they also engaged in things to do with electronic, with the TVS and what have you. The car in general engages in doing purchasing of motorcycles and car parts and what have you. So the business has been booming. I don't want to bombard you with heavy terminologies of shares, but I just want to check out on two things. One, PE ratio. PE ratio is simply at around 6 point something, 6.46 thereabout. Still friendly, very friendly. The PB ratio, it's quite a bit of a price, these shares, because the PB is giving us around 99 shilling, but the share is trading at around 194 shilling. So it's a bit high. If you look at how this company has been performing in terms of the revenue, it has increased by over 365% revenue, the amount of money they are generating. If you look at what we call the return of equity, it's around 34.8%. So what happening with this company, allow me to read you some things here, okay, so that at least you can make a good decision. The P ratio, simply how you calculate the P ratio is simply 194, the current price divided by the 30 point, that is the EPS. The EPS, the earning per share that we had as of last year's performance. It was around 30 shilling, earning per share. Earning per share. Then you take the current price per share divided by the earning per share. That's where you get around 6.38%. That is the PE ratio. So even after enormous rally, Car in general is trading only at about 6.4 times its financial year of 2025's earnings. That is not an expensive PE ratio. It still poses an opportunity out there. But there are many other factors to consider before make a decision of buying this particular company. Particularly, you can also project how this company will actually perform, assuming this growth still rallies, poses good opportunities. But this is what I will tell you. This is my verdict. I would advise you, kindly hang on a second, wait, because they're about to announce their half-year returns in terms of the revenue. Let's check out on how the returns will be. If the return still promises, then you can get in. Because again, if you look at what you call the dividend yield, that is giving us around 3.42%. Still not that decent, because if you look at the amount of money they are paying per every share, isn't that quite big, but it's somewhere, isn't it? Are we together at that point? So when you look at, see, I'm avoiding to give you all these technical terms so that I don't lose you on the way. But the point here is, perhaps, let me just read you something here, quite important, that has actually contributed to this car in general. This is very important, all right? Now, look at this. They had a partnership with, let's look first at the revenue. Revenue increased from approximately 20.94 billion to 25.5 billion. That's around 21% growth. Then it went all the way to the zones of 365 to 372 increase, depending on the comparison convention used and all that. So in other words, What I can tell you is that one of the biggest stories that was recovery of the border sector. All right. So back then in 2024, the car in general was selling around 4,600 units of this border thing. Now in 2025, they reported around over 8,000 units of this border. That was about 74% increase in monthly volumes. Because they engage in buying these motorcycles, these electronic things, the cars and what have you. So bigger business, bigger revenue, better demand for the company, the higher the shares because of the higher the demand. And I was checking on the demand and supply of this company. There was no people who are willing to sell their shares. It was just the demand. There was no supply, but the demand was very high. Now, the other thing, they had partnered with Watu Credit. The car in general has associated investment with Watu Credit, which finances assets such as motorcycle and phones. The company shares a profit from Watu jumped from roughly 220 million to around 1.6 billion Kenyan shilling. That's over 600%. See, I'm talking about real values. Real values. That is exactly how you make these wonders happen. The stock market, I always tell you, please, sometimes it makes sense. I said sometimes, not all the time, sometimes. Again, it makes sense sometimes to put money on the shares market compared to buying lands. I mean, honestly, in Kenya, land grows at an average of 5% to 7%. A week ago, I was reading this news. By the way, I think it's even here, if I'm not wrong. I think it was even here. The lands were actually going down in terms of prices around Nairobi. Yes. But when we tell you that, you think like, hey, what is this stock market? Why should we invest there? Or should you go ahead and do that? And I remember there was a time Dende Nyoro said this on a meeting. He said, if you give me, there was a lady who did ask that question. If you give me, how can I move from a 20 million to a billion? And I remember he mentioned Car in General Company. Imagine, that was last year. He mentioned, go check that video. I think he was invited somewhere in London, UK. He said, if you can invest there. So those who are keen, I'm not saying that you look what he says, but he's one of the investors in Nairobi Securities Exchange. I'm also one of the investors in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. And I'm not posing here like I know everything. But when I see something here, I try the best I can to do the research. When I tell you there is an opportunity here. And I'm saying this again, there are big opportunities on the Equity Bank and KCB Bank. Those poses good and better opportunities in future. One day, we're going to come here and I'm going to discuss that with you. I'm not a prophet. Again, this video is for education purposes only. Please, whenever you are investing in shares, understand it's a risky affair. Always do your research. If possible, go ahead and contact your financial advisor so that you can make appropriate decision. I'm trying to prove everything to you on the board. And that's why I said at the beginning of this video, please go verify what I am saying right now. Substantiate it. And you're going to understand what I'm saying. When I tell you people are making crazy money on the Nairobi Securities Exchange, indeed, they are making crazy money on the Nairobi Securities Exchange. But are you? That's the question. This is Good Joseph. In case you need my services, this has been my number. You can pick it up there, shoot me a text on my WhatsApp, or you can shoot me a call. Let's talk business. But for now, it's a goodbye. But think about that. Think about that.